down with his paws. Hey guys, it's Vicky and Ozzy, and welcome back to my little place for happy things and thoughts. In this week's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a dog leash board. I've been wanting one of these dog leash boards forever. I did see some on Etsy, but they were selling for like around $30 to $40, which I think is honestly a little bit ridiculous for a dog leash board. So I decided to make it myself. And you guys, I made it for around $6. From selling online around 30 bucks, I made it for $6. I love these because, of course, they're not just good for hanging your dog's leashes and organizing them, but you can also add other things in there that help you organize other things for your pet. So I added a jar in there, and I'm currently keeping in there dog treats because I use them every time I walk my puppy because I'm trying to teach him how to walk on a leash properly. So having these on hand every time I go out is really helpful. But I think it would also be perfect to put poopy bags. I mean, you can even add 2 jars too. Now that I think about it, I could have done that too. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna show you guys how to make today. To make the leash holder, you are going to need a wooden cutting board. This is a great alternative if you do not have the carpenter tools to cut out a wood plank yourself. And this I bought for $3 at a discount store. You're also going to need a jar. I bought this one for $1. A hose clamp, which I found at the dollar store, and self-adhesive hooks, which I found there too. I also used a picture hanging kit, which I already had, but if you don't have this, twine and nails will work just fine. You'll also need some nails, a flathead screwdriver, a hammer, and a pen and permanent marker. So my cutting board came with this hook, which I'm gonna remove first because it wouldn't work for hanging my leash holder. And I just simply unscrewed it, and then I was ready to move on to the back of the board. So I just hammered in 2 nails and wrapped the wire from my picture hanging kit so that I could hang this leash board off of one of my walls. Once I was done, I was ready to move to the other side, and first I measured the hose clamp and jar to make sure it fit properly and in place before I nailed it down. It helps to mark your spot with a pencil. And next, I just hammered the hose clamp in place. Most hose clamps have these open spaces, which make it easy to hammer your nails through, but if you have an electric drill, that would make it so much easier. Next, you are going to tie the hose clamp around your jar, and you're simply gonna do that by twisting the screw on the hose clamp. You will need a flathead screwdriver in order to tighten it in place. Once that's done, take your self-adhesive hooks, place them where you want to stick them on, and stick them on. Okay, and now it's time to decorate. This is of course optional. I wanted to draw a paw print on mine, so I used some images from Google, traced the paw print on with a pencil, and then drew it in with a permanent marker. There you have it, you guys, a leash holder for your pet's leashes. Next, I just filled it in with some treats, but like I said, putting poopy bags in there would also be great. Finally, just hang it on your wall and you have your dog walking station ready to go. And that is all, folks. Super easy to make, and like I said, really inexpensive. If you like this video, make sure to let me know by leaving me a like, leave a comment down below, and if you have not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on more videos like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, sending you all a really big virtual hug, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Ozzy. Ow! Excuse me. Ozzy, seriously? Are you gonna let go? He is like holding my hair down with his paws. Please, let go. Please, let go. You wanna be sweet now? You're like a Sour Patch Kid. First you pull my hair and now you wanna be my friend. Ow, you wanna give me a kiss? Okay, we can be friends now, okay. And now here comes Charlie.